good? DIY guy here, come at you with another video, and today we're going to be playing Akinator, but YouTuber version. So I picked out 5 YouTubers, or by the time we start, I should have 5 YouTubers picked, and Akinator is going to try to see if he can get all 5 of them. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, I'm back, and I have my 5 YouTubers right here. We're going to start with like some really easy ones, and by the time we get down to the last one, like the 5th one, it'll be a little bit harder for him. So I'll put the names on the side, but the first one I think we're gonna do is Logan Paul, because he's in some drama lately. So let's go ahead and get into this. Is your character famous? Yes.
Is he a girl? I do not think so. A gamer? No. Famous on Vine? I'm gonna say yes because he was. In Ohio.
A parrot? Oh, he's already getting it. Yeah, see, that was already easy. So he obviously got it. Wait, no, we don't want to do that. Back. Alright, let's play again. So that was the first one. So we're gonna do the king of YouTube, Pewdiepie. Is he a girl? I don't think so.
Think so. Yes, he's real. Yes, he's a YouTuber. Gamer? I don't think so. Not on Vine. Cruel? I don't think so. In a relationship? Yes. No kids? No, I don't think so. Reading a book? I don't think so. I don't know about tattoos. No horror story. No wasabi. No spicy food. No. I don't think so. No movies. No, he has his own apartment. Not in America. Not American. Not Asian. Not Canadian. Not British. A descendant? No.
No. How about we restart this? Because I'm not too sure. Oh, wait. I messed up. Alright, hold on. Let's restart this. Is your character real? Yes.
Yes. No. Let's put yes for this one. See what happens. Dyed hair? Yes. No.
Yes. Pugs. I think he has a pug. Okay, yeah, so when he was a gamer, I should have put yes. But yeah, he guessed PewDiePie. Let's get into the third one. Play again. The third one we're going to do is Rice Scum, because I don't see him in the news a lot, but he was recently in drama, so let's go ahead and do him. YouTuber? Yes.
He does not run a gaming channel. Not a girl. No. 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 Yes. Yes. Okay, so he's starting to get him. Wait, is your character a side character? He has a side character, yes. 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 Oh wait, no. I think I messed up about that. But let's see if he gets him. I think he had blonde hair, yes. No. No, he's right-handed, I'm pretty sure. I don't know about long teeth. No. A cyberbully? He roasts people.
40. Yeah, he got him. Yes. Okay. Oh, I was about to say, there was a problem? Oh, boy. Alright, let's try Ali A. Is he a famous YouTuber? Yes, because he just hit 10 million subscribers.
Link of video games, yes. Dyed his hair, no. Minecraft, yes, he actually has a world record. And ancestor, I'm not too sure. Original place, I don't know. Married, no.
BioShock series? I actually have no idea what that is. Let's look that up.
I don't think so. Let's see. I'll put an alley. I don't see him saying anything about Allier, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say no. Yes, he's an adult. I don't think so. No. No. Not an evil father. No. Roblox? No. British? Yes. Let's just put in. We might as well just put in his stats. Born. Network. Nope. Where is Allier from? Okay. We're usually supposed to stay on the side. He doesn't tell us. Oh. We'll just put no. I don't know, actually. I don't think so. No. No. Yes.
Yes. Well, yep, there you go. He ended up getting it. Alright, let's do a harder one. The last one we're going to do is the odd ones out. The animator. Famous? Yes, he has 5 million, I believe.
Oh, sounds like one though. A gamer? No, not mine. Don't know. No. Normally in a chair? Yeah, you could say he's in a chair. No, no reactions. An animator? Okay.
Did your character work for Subways? I'm pretty sure he did, yes. Well, that one was easier than I expected. We'll do a bonus round. I don't know who we'll do yet, but I'll come back to you when I figure it out.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I'm back, and I came up with the YouTuber I decided to do. I'm gonna go with Keemstar, Drama Alert himself, you know. And I think I accidentally clicked the button, so let's go ahead back. Is he a gamer? Yeah.
Got it here? No. Okay. That doesn't matter. Yes. Yes. White skin? Yes. Probably. Yes. Don't know. Husky? Don't know. No. Lab rats really exist? Yes. Yes. Probably. Don't know. No. No. Yes. Probably. Yes. Okay, I knew I probably messed up somewhere. It's probably when the question asks if he's a girl. No. Yes. From World War II? Don't know. Sorry guys, I'm not too sure if the brightness went down. Has your character reached 1 million subscribers on YouTube? Yes. Yes. No. No, he's not on Team 10. Podcast host? Don't know.
Yes. Yep, there you go. He got Keemstar. So guys, that's the video right there. Akinator, but YouTuber edition. If you guys want to see more, let's get 15 likes, because I think this is the first actual video I've done for this channel, other than my face reveal. And thanks for choosing the intro on that other video, because that intro was made by Vesperlight910. His link will be in the description below. I think it's probably going to be the 5th or 4th one. So go check out his channel, because he's trying to upload. He has some uploads, but he's trying to upload some more. But other than guys, peace out and stay God tier. Peace.